the theme is slime. And we're all making slime. We each got 2 colors and then we decorate them with this plate. And here's mine, and there's Leah's and Leanne's and everyone's. And I'm turning 10 today. Then we're gonna hit the piñata. See the piñata? Now I'm going to add some more pink glitter. So I'm gonna add it in there. Ooh, that was a lot, but anyway, so you're mixing it. And then this is what it looks like. Whoa. And I got this pink slime. I stole it from my sister. For my topper. So, yeah. And now there's some blue glitters that I'm going to add. It actually looks nice when I mix it.
Okay, Sophie, tell me what you're doing here. What shape is that? And you're making a piston? Are you going to put sprinkles on top of it? Wow.
That's pretty.
What is that? What's your color? Who's purple is that?
Leah, what are you making over here?
Me, I'm making fruits and then animals.
You're making...
And then me and Serenity are like creating our smoothies, but I'm not doing it.
Oh, you guys are making smoothies, Serenity? What kind of slime are you making over here, Serenity?
Crazy slime.
Crazy slime?
How do you feel today, Serenity? Are you ready to open your present? First, we are gonna have a piñata over there.
Ariana?
I'm making an ice cream for my mom.
Oh, you're making an ice cream for your mom? What flavor is it?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Are you going to add some sprinkles? What about you, Allison? What are you making over here? Slime? But what kind of slime? Is it fluffy? Does it have Orbeez? Sean, what are you making over here? You made an ice cream? What flavor is this? Strawberries? Did you add sprinkles on the top of it? No? No sprinkles? A cherry? Oh, good job. Vivi, ¿qué haces? ¿Qué haces? ¿Qué es eso? Orange. ¿Qué están haciendo acá? Mira, Lizette.
It's for your slime. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Serenity. Happy birthday to you.
Not probably. Not nobody.
Yay! Happy birthday.
Thank you. Candy. Liz. Thank you, Liz. Dear Serena, I hope you had an amazing and I'm happy you are enjoying your special day with us. Thank you. Happy birthday, Serenity. Mr. Rudy. We love you. Thank you, guys.